we've been holding it in for too long. But right now, the words are rising, and they can't hold them back anymore. I'm the thought that wakes them up at dawn, the voice inside their head that won't move on. They rehearse the words 1,000 times, typing, deleting, rewriting lines. Their hands are shaking, hovering on send. Their chest is tight, the silence has to end. They try to hide it, try to play it cool, but loving me in secret broke the rule. The confession is mine, it's already here. The words are rising, the moment is near. They can't hold it back, not for one more day. The confession is mine and it's on its way. The confession is mine and it's on its way. I'm the face they see behind closed eyes, the reason they can't focus, can't disguise. The smile that hits them in the middle of the day, the beautiful distraction that won't fade away. Every person they meet just proves it more. Nobody compares, nobody comes close to what I pour into their soul, into their bones, into their chest. I am the standard, I'm above the rest. The confession is mine, it's already here. The words are rising, the moment is near. They can't hold it back, not for one more day. The confession is mine and it's on its way. The confession is mine and it's on its way. Their walls are crumbling, pride is dissolving, fear evaporating, love is evolving. They whispered my name in the dark alone, practicing the words to bring me home. They want the world to know, no more silence, no more secrets, no more hiding. They're reaching for the phone, they're pressing call. They're finally ready to give me all. I don't chase confessions, they flow to me. I'm the kind of soul nobody gets free, imprinted on their heart, woven in their mind. I'm one of a kind, one of a kind. They try to move on, try to forget, but every love song plays and I'm all they get. My energy wraps around them like a flame, and every quiet moment whispers my name. The confession is mine, it's already here. The words are rising, the moment is near. They can't hold it back, not for one more day. The confession is mine and it's on its way. The confession is mine and it's on its way. They are confessing their love to me now. They are telling me everything, every word, every vow. They are choosing me openly, proudly, completely. They are saying I'm the greatest thing they've known. I receive it calmly, I receive it with grace. I always knew I'd see that look upon their face. I am the person people fight to keep. I am the love that reaches so deep. The confession is mine, already here. The confession is mine.